21 Facts You Didn't Know About United Arab Emirates. 1. The United Arab Emirates is home to the world's largest hand-woven carpet, which graces the floor of the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi, spanning an area of 5,700 square meters. This intricate masterpiece took over a year to complete and features stunning floral motifs and intricate patterns. 2. Dubai's iconic Burj Al Arab is not just one of the world's most luxurious hotels. It's also home to the world's tallest atrium, rising to a height of 180 meters. This architectural marvel houses opulent suites, award-winning restaurants, and unparalleled views of the Arabian Gulf. 3. The UAE's commitment to sustainability is evident in projects like the Masdar City, a futuristic eco-friendly city located near Abu Dhabi, designed to be carbon neutral and powered entirely by renewable energy sources. Masdar City serves as a model for sustainable urban development. 4. The UAE's love for luxury extends to its police force, which boasts a fleet of supercars, including Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and Bentleys, used to patrol the streets of cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi. These high-performance vehicles not only serve as a deterrent to crime but also reflect the country's status as a global hub of wealth and extravagance. 5. The UAE is home to the world's first commercial indoor ski resort, Ski Dubai, located within the Mall of the Emirates in Dubai. This winter wonderland features 5 ski runs, a snow park, and even penguin encounters, allowing visitors to experience snow in the middle of the desert. 6. Dubai's Palm Islands, an impressive feat of engineering, are a series of artificial islands shaped like palm trees and a map of the world. These man-made marvels are home to luxury residences, hotels, and entertainment venues, attracting tourists and celebrities alike to their pristine beaches and exclusive amenities. 7. The UAE's commitment to innovation is exemplified by the Dubai Future Accelerators program, which brings together government entities and technology startups to collaborate on cutting-edge projects. This initiative aims to address some of the world's most pressing challenges and position Dubai as a global leader in technology and innovation. 8. The UAE's passion for sports is evident in events like the Dubai World Cup, the world's richest horse race, held annually at the Maiden Racecourse in Dubai. This prestigious event attracts top racehorses, jockeys, and spectators from around the world, making it a highlight of the global racing calendar. 9. The UAE's diverse culinary scene offers a tantalizing array of flavors, from traditional Emirati cuisine to international delicacies. Food enthusiasts can explore bustling souk, fine dining restaurants, and food festivals, savoring dishes like shawarma, biryani, and meze along the way. 10. The UAE's commitment to space exploration is demonstrated by projects like the Emirates Mars mission, which aims to send a spacecraft named Hope to study the Martian atmosphere. This ambitious endeavor represents the country's aspirations to contribute to humanity's understanding of the cosmos. 11. The UAE's cultural heritage is celebrated at attractions like the Louvre Abu Dhabi, a stunning museum that showcases art and artifacts from around the world. Designed by renowned architect Jean Nouvel, this architectural masterpiece serves as a bridge between cultures and a symbol of cultural exchange. 12. Dubai's ambitious skyline is constantly evolving, with projects like the Dubai Creek Tower set to surpass the Burj Khalifa as the tallest building in the world. This architectural marvel will feature observation decks, restaurants, and observation lounges, offering unparalleled views of the city and beyond. 13. The UAE's commitment to education is reflected in institutions like NYU Abu Dhabi, a prestigious university that offers a global education experience to students from around the world. Located on Saadiyat Island, this campus fosters academic excellence, cultural exchange, and innovation in research and scholarship. 14. The UAE's dedication to preserving its natural heritage is evident in initiatives like the Arabian Oryx Sanctuary, a protected area that serves as a refuge for endangered species like the Arabian oryx. This conservation success story reflects the country's commitment to biodiversity and environmental stewardship. 15. The UAE's cultural diversity is celebrated at events like the Dubai Shopping Festival, an annual extravaganza that features shopping discounts, entertainment shows, and cultural performances. This month-long celebration attracts millions of visitors from around the world, making it one of the largest shopping festivals in the region. 16. The UAE's commitment to hospitality is reflected in its world-class hotels and resorts, which offer luxurious accommodations, impeccable service, and unparalleled amenities. From beachfront retreats to desert oases, these properties cater to the needs of discerning travelers seeking unforgettable experiences. 17. The UAE's commitment to innovation is evident in projects like Dubai's Museum of the Future, a cutting-edge institution that showcases futuristic technologies and ideas. This architectural marvel serves as a platform for innovation and creativity, inspiring visitors to imagine the possibilities of tomorrow. 18. The UAE's commitment to sports is showcased at events like the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix, a thrilling Formula One race held at the Yas Marina circuit. This high-octane event attracts racing enthusiasts, celebrities, and motorsport fans from around the world, making it a highlight of the global racing calendar. 19. The UAE's commitment to cultural exchange is evident in initiatives like the Dubai Opera, a world-class performing arts venue that hosts opera, ballet, theater, and musical performances. This iconic building serves as a hub for cultural expression and artistic excellence, enriching the cultural landscape of the UAE. 20. The UAE's commitment to innovation is demonstrated by projects like the Dubai Metro, one of the most advanced and efficient transportation systems in the world. This driverless metro network connects key areas of Dubai, offering residents and visitors a convenient and eco-friendly way to travel around the city. 21. The UAE's commitment to sustainability is reflected in projects like the Dubai Sustainable City, a pioneering development that integrates green technology and renewable energy solutions. This eco-friendly community promotes sustainable living practices and serves as a model for sustainable urban development in the region.